Why does your scanner show the P0018 engine code? What does it mean? P0018 is a diagnostic trouble code for crankshaft position, camshaft position, correlation, bank 2, sensor A. This engine code indicates that the problem with the timing between the crankshaft and camshaft on bank 2 of the engine. This misalignment can lead to various engine performance issues. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: timing chain belt, camshaft and crankshaft sensors, variable valve timing system. Other potential issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, like the 2004 Kluger and some GM vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.